Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply reinstall the Steam games in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to Games Library and let's find a game. I don't know. The Shape is You. What you want to do is just go to Properties and then Local Files, and I recommend first going with the backup game files. And select the program you wish to include this backup. Yes, backup it first, and then test it first on different game, and then try to if it's working out, if you have the save and everything. Because for me it's working out, but every game is different. Then what you need to do is just uninstall the game. I'm not going to uninstall it because I love the game. Uninstall the game, and then I'll just right click on this one. You want to click on install again, and this is how you're going to simply reinstall Steam game. But don't forget, go to local files and backup game files. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.